Hello guys, it's me here, Chicken Natural Remedies. You are welcome to my channel. If today is your first time of stopping by, you are highly welcome. So in today's video, I'll be sharing with you guys a smoothie that will smooth your face. Smoothie that will smooth your face, yeah, anyhow you can understand it. So this smoothie is gonna clear up your acne, pimples, high pigmentation, and make your skin to glow. If this thing sounds like what you are interested in, just keep on watching. Please watch this video to the end because I'm gonna tell you guys how to use it at the end of this video. So if you have not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe, like, share and comment. Just hit that red button down below and turn up your notification bell so you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video. Let's just dive into the video. I'm going to use here is our beetroot. Beets is rich in antioxidants such as beta-carotene, vitamin C, vitamin A, which aids in the regeneration of skin cells. With this awesome package of antioxidants, it helps to maintain the skin and hair health and prevent aging by delaying the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. There's a lot of benefit, guys, in this beet. When you take your beets, often it will clear pimple. It will just, in fact, it contains some of the active compounds that are beneficial to eliminate the toxins that may result in acne from our body. Regular consumption of beets works as a natural detox and is associated with prevent and treatment of acne. There's a lot of benefit, guys. If you have not been taking your beets, please just take your beet. There's a lot of benefit in this beet. If you have high pigmentations, if you have acne, pimple, just take it to just clear your skin, to make your skin to glow. Just give it a try. That's the first thing we are going to use in this recipe. So I'm gonna take 2 pieces of this frozen one. If you don't have the frozen, you can go ahead and use your fresh one, but I'm using frozen one in this recipe. Alright, now I'm gonna open it. Guys, when you're dealing with this bead, you have to be very careful because these beads can just, stain your clothes. So I have to be very careful with it. Just be very careful before you mess everywhere up for you. So I'm gonna take just 2 of it. Then if you want to do more, you can double everything we are using in this recipe. Just going to take 2 of these beets. I'm making use of these 2. And I add this one straight to the freezer. Got it. Guys, if I've not been taking these beets, please just start right now. If you have acne, if you have pimple, if you have high pigmentation, just start right now taking your beets. You just glow your skin. It will clear all acne, pimple, and make your skin to just glow. Yeah, guys, if you have not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe, like, share and comment. Just click on that red button down below and turn off your notification so that you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video. So right now I've added everything inside the plate and I'll set it aside. So guys, the second thing we need in this recipe is our bananas. Bananas prevent water from getting stuck in your body. Because of the sodium, bananas are full of potassium and that perfectly regulate salt levels and therefore reduce bloating. It reduces bloating. So that is the second thing we need. So right now I'm gonna peel off the banana and add it straight to the plate. So I'm making use of 2 bananas here. Like I said before, you can go ahead and double it if you want. Just go ahead and double it. If you want to make in a large quantity, go ahead and double everything we are using in this video. This thing gonna clear your skin. It will make your skin to just look like a baby skin and remove all the wrinkles, everything in your face and glow your skin. Just give it a try. It's not something that we are just talking about. Just do it. One thing about this thing, when you start taking it today, in next 2 days, even less than, you will start seeing the results. It will just clear. If you have pimple, if you have acne, you will see it will just clear everything. Honestly, just go ahead and give it a try. So right now I'm gonna set it aside. The next thing, the third thing we need for this recipe is our Pineapple helps break down the proteins in your system, which help your stomach to process food. By doing that, it will be shedding a lot of weight. So I'm gonna cut the pineapple and add it straight to the. I'm using 1 cup of pineapple. If you have your pineapple juice, you can go ahead and use it. Once it's 100%, you can go ahead and use your pineapple juice. But I don't recommend pineapple, tin pineapple, okay? Fresh pineapple is better than tin pineapple. I will just add it straight to the plate. Guys, don't forget to subscribe, like, share and comment. Just hit that red button down below, turn up your notification bell so you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video. So guys, I'm gonna set this aside. So look at what we have here. We have our beets, then banana, these 2 beets, 2 banana and 1 cup of pineapple. So don't go anywhere. There's more thing I'm gonna add to this, so stay tuned, don't go anywhere. So guys, I'm gonna add my beets and I'll add my pineapple. Then I'll add my banana. So guys, next I'm gonna add is our yogurt. I'm using 1.5 fat plain yogurt. So you can go ahead and use your Greek yogurt if you have Greek yogurt. If you don't have, just use your low fat yogurt. It can serve also. This 1.5 that I'm using, as I said, but this 1.5 yogurt contains lactic acid, which aids in healing process of our skin from harmful ingredients. Yogurt can make your skin feel fresh, new, and rid your face of impurity. There's a lot of benefits in yogurt. So right now, I need to add 1 cup of yogurt. This is no milk. This I use the cup I use for the yogurt, so I don't need to raise it. Okay, this is just ordinary water. Okay, I'll just add 1 cup of water, then I'll blend. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share and comment. Just hit that red button down below and turn up the notification bell so you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video. So guys, this is it. I'm gonna pour it straight to the cup. So right now I'm going to pour it straight to the cup. Wow, I'll just fill my cup too. Guys, this is what you need to clear your skin, to make your skin to glow. This is not a joke, guys. If you have acne, if you have pimple, honestly, go ahead and drink this. Make sure you drink it once a day, at least every day. If you cannot take it twice a day, make sure you drink it every day. I'm assuring you, before 2 days you'll start seeing the result. It will clear the pimple, it will clear the acne, it will make your face to just glow. Honestly, I don't even want to talk much about it. After doing it, you'll still come back and say thank you to me, because I know, I'm very sure of it, because I've tested it. I use it on my own skin and it clear my skin. Just go ahead and try it. It's for everybody. It's for everybody. It doesn't have any side effects. Okay, so here comes the end of the video. Hope you guys love it, hope you guys enjoy it. If you do, don't forget to subscribe, like, share and comment. Share this video to your friends, to your loved ones. Just click on that red button down below and turn up your notification bell so you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video. Bye bye guys, see you guys in my next video. Don't forget to share, don't forget to share. Just go ahead and do your own. Let's hear your feedback. Okay, bye bye, see you guys in my next video.